when we started off searching for an interior designer, we had evaluated, I guess, 4 or 5 of them. That's when we came across Dream Dot, right? So then we started having conversations with George, and the main reason I think we went ahead with him is because he was very accommodative. He made me feel really comfortable. Like, he gave me that confidence that whatever was expected could be delivered, and then we went ahead and moved on with George. So he not only delivered it in 45 days, but he also met his expectations that I had, which we had set a really high bar, and I think he really met that. He gave us more inputs on what would look better, what would make more sense in what locations, and I'm really grateful that I went ahead with George. Even now he stays in touch with us to check if everything is fine. What is the favorite part is that the living room, I have to say. Like, it came out more than what was in my mind. I think the altar that he did was not part of the initial plan, and when it was like something that we picked up on the go, and George told us, let's put some statues in there and whatnot, and that I think came out really well. That was something that was not in the plan and that we picked up on the go.